Hello everyone and welcome. In this session we will learn how to import Excel data into Dynamo. I will import this schedule, which basically helps users size fire pipes based on the number of mounted sprinklers. After importing it, I will exclude the text cells, then separate the number cells into two groups, one for pipe sizes and another for maximum number of sprinklers. Search for the core node. Then for File from Path node, to search for the file path in which the Excel file is saved. For the sheet name, use a string node. And a Boolean node to choose false as an answer. The imported data shown in many lists. Each one has only two values. This means Dynamo is reading the rows, not the columns. We can fix this by using transpose node. Now I need to exclude the first two values, to keep only numbers. Using a slice node for this list. And choosing the second level to do this order. Starting by 2 and ending with 12, and at a step of 1 to get the number cells only. Flatten the lists to combine them. Then repeat the previous process to separate each list. Start by 0 and end with 10 for the first list. Keep the step value to its default value at 1. For the second list, start by 10 and end with 20. Add watch nodes to check for the results. Then make some changes to the Excel to see its immediate effect. Make sure to save the Excel to make synchronization. This is the end. Thank you.